If you want to change your video opacity as the first method, make sure you select the clip, and under video panel at the top right corner, make sure you are under basic, and under basic go to blend. Click on this drop arrow to open the blend mode. You can simply lower the opacity like this. See how it is changing on your screen. The second method consists of changing the blending mode. This is the mode. You can go to overlay, see how it is changing. Go to hard light, see how it is changing. Let me play it. On the third method, animate the opacity, same as in DaVinci Resolve, same as in Premiere Pro. Select the clip, you still go under video, basics, and under blend mode. You have this stopwatch, or what we call keyframe. To start, make sure you place your playhead to the position where you want that effect to begin, and then you click on this add keyframe, this little square button, and it will turn blue. On your video, you will find a small white icon which indicates that you've added the first keyframe. Move the playhead to the next position, and then you can simply pull the opacity down and it will automatically add the second keyframe. You don't need to click on add another keyframe again. So the most important thing is first starting the keyframe, so the other ones will adjust or will add automatically. Cool, right? So move the playhead, increase it, move the playhead, so bring it down. You can find the link of this short clip in the description. Subscribe, follow that artist, support him by commenting, liking, and let me know what you think about that short video. And that is it. Now you know how to adjust clip opacity in CapCut. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and if you are new here, please hit on that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you won't miss any video tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Armando Vision.